Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Tesla, the pioneer of electric vehicles. We'll be exploring the full lineup of Tesla vehicles, from their groundbreaking sedan to their latest innovations. So, buckle up and let's get started. First up, the Tesla Model S. Introduced in 2012, the Model S was Tesla's first mass-market electric vehicle. Known for its sleek design, impressive range, and exceptional performance, the Model S has set the standard for electric sedans. The latest Model S offers a range of over 400 miles on a single charge and can accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in under 2 seconds in its Plaid variant. It's a perfect blend of luxury and speed. Next, we have the Tesla Model 3. Launched in 2017, the Model 3 is designed to be an affordable, high-volume electric vehicle. It's a compact sedan that brings Tesla's cutting-edge technology to a broader audience. The Model 3 has quickly become the best-selling electric car in the world, thanks to its range of up to 353 miles, minimalistic interior, and impressive safety ratings. It's the go-to choice for many new EV owners. Moving on to the Tesla Model X. Released in 2015, the Model X is Tesla's electric SUV, known for its unique falcon wing doors and spacious interior. The Model X can seat up to 7 passengers and offers a range of up to 360 miles. It's perfect for families and those who need extra space without compromising on performance. Now, let's talk about the Tesla Model Y. Introduced in 2020, the Model Y is a compact crossover SUV that shares many components with the Model 3, making it a versatile and practical choice. With a range of up to 326 miles, the Model Y offers a perfect balance of size, range, and affordability. Its flexible seating arrangement and ample cargo space make it ideal for families and adventurers alike. Next up, the futuristic Tesla Cybertruck. Unveiled in 2019, the Cybertruck's radical design has made headlines worldwide. It's Tesla's entry into the pickup truck market. The Cybertruck offers a range of up to 500 miles and boasts incredible durability and performance. With its stainless steel exoskeleton and bulletproof windows, it's designed for the toughest conditions. We can't forget the Tesla Roadster. The original Roadster, launched in 2008, was Tesla's first production car. The upcoming second-generation Roadster promises to push the boundaries even further. Set to be the fastest car in the world, the new Roadster will have a top speed of over 250 mph and a range of 6 to 20 miles. It's the ultimate sports car for EV enthusiasts. Lastly, let's talk about the Tesla Semi. Revealed in 2017, the Semi is Tesla's electric truck aimed at revolutionizing the freight industry. With a range of up to 500 miles on a single charge and significantly lower operating costs, the Tesla Semi is set to transform long-haul transportation, making it more sustainable and efficient. Tesla's commitment to innovation and sustainability is evident in each of its vehicles. From the high-performance Model S and the widely popular Model 3 to the versatile Model X and the practical Model Y, Tesla offers a range of options to suit different lifestyles and preferences. Each vehicle is designed with cutting-edge technology, superior safety features, and impressive range capabilities, making Tesla a leader in the electric vehicle industry. The futuristic Tesla Cybertruck has also captured the imagination of many with its radical design and robust features. Its stainless steel exoskeleton and bulletproof windows make it a standout in the pickup truck market, while its range of up to 500 miles sets a new benchmark for electric trucks. The Cybertruck's unique appearance and groundbreaking capabilities highlight Tesla's willingness to push the boundaries of vehicle design and performance. In conclusion, Tesla's diverse lineup of vehicles demonstrates a blend of innovation, performance, and sustainability. Whether you're looking for a high-speed sports car, a family-friendly SUV, or a groundbreaking pickup truck, Tesla has something to offer. The company's continuous advancements. And there you have it, the complete lineup of Tesla vehicles. Each model showcases Tesla's commitment to innovation, sustainability, and performance. Which Tesla vehicle is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.